Hello and welcome back to DMP Unplugged, the podcast that explores the good, the bad, and oh, yes, even the ugly of DMP project implementation. In this episode, we're exploring the concept of assembling the right team, particularly the concept of there's no I in team. A DMP project is a team effort, so assembling the right team will be instrumental in your overall success. As you assemble your team, identify individuals that will challenge you to grow. Think about leaders within your area of interest that can help expand your knowledge and also help you make connections. Your team should consist of at least one or two faculty mentors. These people will be responsible for navigating you through the implementation process. This may be new territory to you. So, your faculty mentors are here to offer support, guidance, and constructive feedback that will help refine your implementation process to help you be successful. Sometimes imposter syndrome sets in, and your faculty mentors are going to be there to help you navigate through that process. Your next team member should be your community mentor. This person should be knowledgeable in your project focus area. They will serve your project champion. They're going to help navigate organizational and system barriers. These are not the yes men of your group. So when you pick out a community mentor, this should not be somebody that says yes to everything that you're going to say. Your community mentor needs to be able to help you navigate through the weeds of project implementation. You may struggle sometimes while you're in the weeds, seeing the bigger picture. Your community mentor is going to offer a different perspective. They're also going to give you a lot of valuable insights, things that you might not have thought about when you went into picking this particular project. Also, going to be very important to identify who your key drivers are. These are the individuals with a vested interest in your project, either directly or even indirectly. They also offer valuable insights to as you begin to navigate the implementation process. Again, you don't want a team full of what we call yes men. We don't want somebody to always say yes to everything that we have. We want people to challenge us to grow. That's the only way we're going to grow throughout this whole process. Because again, we don't always see the full picture when we're in the midst of the weeds. Diversifying your team with interdisciplinary support is going to help expand your way of thinking and also improve your overall implementation success. I hope you found this episode helpful in identifying your team members. In our next episode, we're going to talk about the concept of accountability. See you soon.